Howdy friends, it's Sunday, April 5th. I'm Seth Sumner, your city manager with your daily COVID-19 update. It has now been 17 days since the first positive case was recognized here in McMinn County. I'll start out with the Tennessee Department of Health data that is available to you and all Tennesseans at about 3 o'clock daily. It does get updated. And so right now we're showing a total of now 3,633 positive cases in Tennessee, and that's out of now 45,300 tests. There are now 295 Tennesseans recovered from COVID-19. There are soaring now hospitalizations of 328. And I'm very sad to say that deaths have increased again today to 44. Good news for us here in Athens and McMinn County is that we still stay now 12 days solid with only 3 confirmed cases. Now, I will, as I have before, warn you that those numbers will increase. Our governor has held press conferences in the last few days to let you know, to be aware that we are now getting into what we're calling surge time for COVID-19. Tests have been out for a few weeks now. The spread of the virus is increasing. We are under a stay-at-home order for non-essential activity, and so hopefully we can help this surge not to come on as strong as some of those earlier projections that we've looked at, but terribly important that you are staying at home. I've worked on my garden a little bit more this weekend, as you can see behind me, staking those tomato plants, just working in the ground. It's been a beautiful weekend for that, and I hope that you've been able to enjoy it with your family as well. I did venture to the store by myself to buy groceries and got supplies to make my grandmother's favorite chocolate chip cookies, and got those made today, and they're incredible. But while I was there, I did notice a lot of people are doing what President Trump is now asking us to do by wearing the face masks when you go out, when you're going to the grocery store. And I also saw some folks doing what we've asked, please don't do, which is taking the entire family with you to the grocery store. Now, I know it may be difficult for single parents to not have someone to watch the kids while you go. We understand that. But where there is a parent or someone healthy that can stay with the children while one person goes to the grocery store for those essential groceries, please do that. Please be very mindful. The fewer people that we have out, the less likely that this virus continues to spread in McMinn County. And that we're only staying at 3 now. Sunday, the 12th day in a row, is just incredible, and all thanks to you, our citizens, for taking this seriously, for staying at home, for staying healthy, and for taking care of the people who really need you in this community. Our elderly, our shut-ins, our vulnerable population, newborns, making sure that those families, that those persons are taken care of in our community. That's incredible. And so thank you for carrying that torch. I did have a few other things I wanted to share with you. I did talk about the surge a moment ago. We are aware that that is coming. It's scheduled, predicted to hit us hard this week. There will be more sick. There will be more recovered, and there unfortunately will be more deaths. You're going to see a spike this week and into next week, and everything that we've been doing over the last couple weeks and everything we're doing now with the stay-at-home order is try to prevent that surge from being a strong surge that has previously been projected. We want to make sure that everyone's doing their part by staying apart, and I also wanted to share with you what we have coming up this week. as I continue with the updates. We will be visiting with Miss Lauren Shepard with the Athens Area Council of the Arts. We have Dr. Melanie Miller with Athens City Schools. We'll have Lisa Dotson with the Main Street Athens talking about our small downtown businesses and how they've been affected. And we'll also have Kathy Price, who is the director of McMinn Economic Development Authority. And she'll be talking about our industries, talking about our job market. There are jobs available for folks who may have been furloughed or laid off. There are some jobs available right now in our community, folks that are hiring, and they need your help. She also wants to talk about some benefits that are available to those folks who have been harmed already in this pandemic. And finally, as we have a motorcycle parade going by the house right now, hopefully all 6 feet apart. I did want to share a message, something that's been heavy on my heart today especially, is I know how strong Athenians are. We are strong people. We can do this. We will get through this together. This pandemic has already been hard on our folks, and it will be harder. Let's make no mistake about it. We're going into the really difficult part of this pandemic. It's been going on for over 3 weeks now here locally. We're changing and following, stepping up our actions every few days as our governor issues executive orders to help protect our public health. We want to make sure that everyone's doing their part. But Athenians are strong. We can do this, and this too shall pass. May God bless you on this Sunday and through the rest of this pandemic, and may God bless Athens.